Bill Gates, Michael Jordan, Oprah Winfrey, Tiger Woods. Why are they different from us? Do they have some kind of superpowers that give them fame, success, fortune? No, they simply have a series of skills, and with those skills, they achieve extraordinary results. All of them have vastly different goals, but they all seem to use the same basic skills. The exciting part about that for us is that it's just a skill. There are no superpowers involved. Skills can be taught, and you and I can learn it. My name is Bill Truax, and I want to introduce you to a program we call Achieving Extraordinary Results, It's Just a Skill. This is a program designed to teach the skills of goal setting and goal achievement to individuals, as well as project teams, management teams, and even sales teams who are looking to this program as the next level of sales training. The program is very flexible. It can be 1 to 3 hours in length, depending on your meeting format and, of course, the number of participants. I have broken down the skills into 7 tools and 7 rules. In the program itself, we'll discuss also some of the obstacles we all face when we're trying to achieve goals. In the program, we discuss each element in detail, using stories and examples. In this video, we don't have the time, so I will simply discuss with you the 14 elements in the program. The first are the 7 tools, and I'll go through them real quickly. The goal, the plan, steps, visualization, simulation, an idea book, and to-do list. Number 1, a goal. A goal is a written, detailed objective to be achieved by a specific point in time. Once again, a written, detailed objective to be achieved by a specific point in time. Most of us have heard this throughout our business careers. 2 very important elements about it. It's got to be written, probably in longhand, because there's some kind of magic to writing things out in longhand. And secondly, there needs to be a date when it's due. Number 2, the plan. Plan is simply the strategy that you are going to implement in order to achieve your goal. It's usually 1 sentence long. Number 3, steps, the actions you're going to take in order to implement the plan so you can achieve your goal. Nothing happens without actions, so you got to act. Number 4 is visualization. Visualization is a skill that is taught to world-class athletes, business executives, actors, actresses, astronauts, and many other people. Visualization is a fun thing. We're going to talk a lot about it in the program. I guarantee you that everyone you know who has achieved extraordinary results visualized having achieved their goal long before they actually did. Number 5 is simulation. Athletes call simulation practice. Business people call simulation role play. Actors call it rehearsal. NASA still calls it simulations. It's simply doing in private what you want to do in public. We all learn through trial and error. Simulation is important. We need to do more of it. Number 6, the idea book. I carry an idea book with me all the time. It's a great little tool to have. This is my idea book. So I carry this little idea book around with me because at odd times I'll get a brilliant idea that seems to come out of the blue, that's focused somewhere in my right brain. If I don't write it down right away, I'll forget it. So I would suggest that you keep an idea book around because once you start the visualization process, you'll start getting lots of good ideas. And number 7 is a to-do list. Very simple tool. Get up in the morning, before you start your work, write down, longhand, everything you want to accomplish during the day. I guarantee if you're not doing that right now, it's going to save you a lot of time per day, therefore per week. So there you have it, the 7 tools: goal, plan, steps, visualization, simulation, idea book, and to-do list. So let's look at the 7 rules for goal achievement. Want it, believe in it, commit to it, focus on it, persist at it, no multitasking, and protect and improve your most valuable asset. First, want it. It's very simple. The goal has to be yours. You have to have a passion for it. Next, believe in it. You've got to believe that you can achieve your goal. You can imagine what it would be like if you're working on a project but don't think you're going to be able to achieve it. That's a conflict that you don't want to live with. Commit to it. By commit to it, I mean when you've got the steps determined for your goal, you've got to actually do those steps. If you don't do them, you're never going to get anywhere. So commit to actually performing the steps, the actions necessary to achieve your goal. Number 4 is focus on it. All of us are very busy. we're not going to be able to spend 3 or 4 hours a day, every day, working on the steps to our goal. But if we're going to spend 15 minutes a day, or 20 minutes a day, or half an hour, or whatever it is, you've got to stop all outside distractions and focus all of your attention on those steps that you are performing for your goals. Number 5, persist at it. Persistence is the single most important tool you can have for achieving your goals, simply because most people don't achieve their goals in life because they quit too soon. They let problems and obstacles get in the way. So persistence is important. Number 6 is no multitasking. And I know what everybody's thinking. I multitask all the time. Multitasking was designed for computers, not for people. But we have gladly adopted it. Multitasking assures that you are going to do several things poorly. That's what all the studies show. Now, when you are focusing on the steps of your goal, make sure that you're not multitasking, being distracted by anything else. Number 7, protect and improve your most important assets. That's you. We're going to talk about 4 things in the program about this. That is weight, habits, exercise, and sleep. Suffice it to say right now, how many of the people that we emulate, how many of our heroes are overweight smokers who are out of shape and sleepy? So the 7 rules for goal achievement are: want it, believe in it, commit to it, focus on it, persist at it, no multitasking, protect and improve your most important asset. This program is the perfect platform for business goals. So let's talk about how we can help you and your individuals, as well as your teams, set and then achieve their goals. After all, achieving extraordinary results, it's just a skill.